This is what our main area. This is what it looks like after we've kind of filled in with some of the daylilies to help fill the gaps. These benches were all filled up with about as many pots as we could get on them. You can see there's a lot of void areas. This was about wall-to-wall people in here Saturday. I didn't get too many chances over here, other than trying to find stuff for people or answer questions. See a lot of gaps. This is kind of the perspective as people walk through here to see just what there is around here. This bench was full of blueberries. It's no longer got blueberries on it. Dappled willows. Lygelia ready to go. Sold several grapes, some that I bought. This is the outer benches. Even some things like this were just starting to show growth. Got grabbed up because I wanted them when they had them. Some of the baby things here, over here, they got grabbed up as well. Our back corner area. This is some of the bigger items we had. This is what I was pushing in my ad, that we needed the yard space cleared out, which they helped us to a point. There's a lot of empty things here now. These were all higher priced items. We got things ready to be taken out, to be potted up, etc. This is our dogwoods and what's left of the lilacs. More things to be dumped out and potted up. This is work central here for me. These are all things that are small, indoor, ready to go. That back bench is my things. People were walking all around back in here too. I think my hosta bed got stomped on a little bit. People were taking shortcuts from one spot to another. Over here is where we got the arborvitaes, junipers, and a lot of my baby plants, which people were coming in here and picking these up. This area had larger green giants in it, but no longer does. That's where we keep the daylilies. We've sold a bunch of those and also moved a bunch. But people came in this way and were grabbing these up. Some bought them, some took them over, and then they found the bigger stuff and traded them in, kind of thing. This is mostly my baby area. In front of the benches here we had these larger arborvitaes things, and they've missing a few. Grasses, several of the grasses were gone. Arborvitae benches are quite thinned out. I'm down to only a few dwarf Alberta spruces. More babies along the way. We're actually going backwards. This is where I came in. I'm going out. That's looking down the driveway. People were all over the street down there, both sides. They walked up the driveway, had cars parked here. I can only fit like 3 if I'm lucky. People either walked in there or they came in here. This is what they saw. Too bad this isn't smell video. This is my Korean spice. It's cold today, it's cloudy, and it's still really fragrant. And of course, I've got my lavender twist red bud right there. I don't know how many people asked if I had these. And of course, I grow a lot of specialty things that I find that I like, and I get asked a lot for those. This is what my entryway kind of looks like as people come in here and see it. That's Hub's Red Willow Japanese Maple.